A quick look at the Suzuki stall at the Auto Expo. The Intruder and the Intruder with a few graphics. The newly showcased 125cc Burgman Street in white and black. The current lineup of the XS 125 and Suzuki's lineup of MotoGP bikes. On the stage, we have the GSX 750, again the Burgman and the Intruder. And they also have the showcase of their off-road bombs, as I call them, the bigger 450 and the smaller 70 for your kids. The V-Storm, something that can rub shoulders with the Triumph Tiger. The beautiful and capable GSX-R. And the world's fastest production bike, the Busa. Also on stage is the new 2018 Busa with the new colors. And center of attraction, of course, the MotoGP bikes from Suzuki. Also have the smaller Gixxer, the naked one and the SF, and the big lady, the bigger Burgman. This will not come to India, it's the bigger version, but India is getting the smaller ones, which Suzuki calls as the Street. Specs are right here, but the company has not divulged into the figures for power or torque. So that's it. Signing off from the Suzuki stall at the Delhi Auto Expo.